Hello everybody, we are back in our Hong Kong kitchen.
And today I will make a barbecue out of a tin can with my good friend Kuya Kevin.
You can find those tin cans everywhere in the streets here, especially at those recycle companies. And then you also need a barbecue mesh. You can get them in every hardware store here, but we already had our own one and we will reuse that. To start, we remove one side of the can, just with a knife and something to hammer it, because those are the only tools we have in the house right now. But if you also attempt to do this, be very careful, because it might not be the safest method to do. When that side is open, we carefully fold the sharp edges, so it won't hurt us anymore. And then on the sides we will make some venting holes, so the fire will burn better. We make like 3 per side. I also got some bricks from outside, because of course the barbecue will be very hot and this way the heat will not transfer directly into the floor. Okay, add some charcoal and time to light it up.
Look at it. Only this bit.
For today's barbecue, Kuya Kevin made chicken kebabs. Super yummy. Well, that's how we made a barbecue out of recycled materials, only within 5 minutes, and it gave us a great night. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.